John here with Knotty Wood BBQ. I wanted to explain today why it's important to season a new grill. One of the main things is you want to first start with just vacuuming it out. Just vacuum your grill out, get any metal particles or any manufacturing dust or debris that is caused during the manufacturing process of the grill. Second is you'd want to wipe down the inside, especially your grates, with maybe a canola oil that has a high temp burning point, and that will stop any of the food from sticking to the grates or any debris actually sticking inside the grill. The second thing, and probably the most important, is let's sterilize this grill. Bring it up to high temperature for about 40 minutes. It will, to the grates, it will make it more similar to seasoning a cast iron pan or pot. And even when you clean your grill, a used grill, I think you should do the same thing. If you're scraping out your grill, you can't possibly get all the debris out of it. It's very difficult. And you'll break open some of those debris pockets that can cause some smoking while you're cooking. So right after you do a cleaning, it's also good to just put it on high, let it cook for about another 40 minutes. That will get rid of any of the smoke or burn off any bad tasting items that are in the grill. That's it for Knotty Wood BBQ. Happy barbecuing.